Hello everybody, I'm your boy Binky312 and today we're gonna be playing Super Mario 63. And today we're also gonna be we're gonna play that actually. So let's go, I guess. File it. I'm gonna start playing. I've never played this before. I don't care about this thing though. Let's just start playing. But I've heard good stuff about this game. Uh, hmm. I'm gonna fix that. I think I gotta fix something. Let me just refresh the page. Maybe that will be it. It's a very good game. Yeah, but it's kind of like a version of like Mario 64. You've maybe not heard of it. Whatever it says right there, yeah, that. It's a non-profit game, I guess. Yeah, that's good. It's also made in Flash, which is pretty cool, ain't that? Made in Flash, excitingly amazing, ain't it? It's also neat. You should play the game. Okay, I'm not sure. What's going on? I don't get what's going on anymore. No. No, we'll just, let me think of another game. Another Mario Flash game. Yeah, you know what, let's just play Super Mario Flash there. Don't worry, it's not gonna be tiny. There, it's, better graphics. Oh, cool, look, I got a star. Okay, we now have to go into this level. Nope, I've died. Dead again. I'm very bad at this game. Why? I'm not even sure. So I have 2 lives left. 1. Yeah, 1. 1 life left. Has the first level even been completed yet? No. First level ain't been completed yet. Oh, this time I'm actually gonna try. Oh, I got farther than actually before, so that's good, I guess. Oh, and I'm out of lives. Game over. And no font or anything, just boom. Game over. There's more games though, so Roblox. I've done that before, but Roblox. That's my Roblox if you want to friend me. That's if you want to friend me on Roblox, there you go. That's Roblox. You want to friend me on that, now you can friend me on Roblox. Okay, what am I gonna play? I would like to play Jailbreak, but no, I'm not gonna play Jailbreak. I'll play Vehicle Simulator. There's also this, take him off, boom. Took it off, now I have a finger cover. Neatest idea ever, ain't it? I already have Roblox downloaded and stuff. I just wait. Yeah, no, I just wait. This game is in beta. Now, it might take like a few seconds to load. That's not my car right there either. None of those cars on the front are mine. So don't assume any of these cars might be mine, because they're not. They're not any of the. I don't own any of the good cars at all. But I have a bunch of monies. Let's just find out where I put my mouse. Oh, where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm also the best car I have is not any of those right there. It is the you will be prepared for the best car ever. The Toyota Supra. With the best plate on it ever. Back off. Anyone get too close to my ride and you are screwed. I'm gonna tailgate this guy and screw with him. I'm gonna ram him. I'm gonna ram him with this ram. Oh shoot, he got me. Oh, now I'm flying. Yay. Oh yes, I also can just fly a drone. There's a drone in this game. And it can be found at the best store of them all. Goodbye. Goodbye. Which you can literally just drive your car into. I'm not even joking, just fits your car right into it. It's not that much of a challenge for some reason. Now it is. Boom. Got it into the goodbye, and you can get it right out too. Boom. Done already. Now, as I said, this car ain't the best or anything, but I'm going to show you how awful it does in a race. Now, if you can see in the bottom corner, probably seen the Dominuses there. Yeah, I got those. No, I did not buy them or anything. You can't just buy them, but I'll show you each of my Dominuses. This one, the Dominus Veride. This Dominus Azurus, the Dominus Arum. I don't know any of them. them. But I'm gonna race some people in this and just show you how awful it is. Like I air raced me. Airport race me. Kang Jung-woo. That sounds really racist and stuff, but that's his actual username. I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. Like, I don't even know a thing he's saying. I don't even get it. These two people are the richest in the game. I feel like I don't actually want to race these people. Mostly because I don't understand a thing they're saying, and because they're literally the richest people in the game. And I've learned know a thing or two about the other languages and what they do. I've played Mario Maker. I've seen what they've done. They've changed. They put everything in Korean that actually means impossible. But no one speaks Korean. I also just drive around mountains. That's the best this thing can do. Drive up mountains. Then drive down mountains. Then do some bad drifts and then crash into a tree. Then drive off. That's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. See you guys next time.